Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh wow, Pioneer, did you know? You are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork. As of today, you are a millionaire. Debates surrounding the value of PiCoin have intensified as new developments within the PiNetwork ecosystem emerge. Since its inception, many have questioned whether Pi could achieve a significant valuation. However, recent data suggests strong indications that the price of PiCoin may indeed be heading towards $314, a figure long regarded as the global consensus value by many pioneers. But what evidence supports this prediction? A closer examination of key data points reveals a compelling narrative. Historical data CoinMarketCap's self-reporting disclosure. In 2021, the PiCore team made a strategic move by formally requesting CoinMarketCap to register 3 email addresses for self-reporting Pi IOU data. This step was crucial in promoting transparency within the Pi community. A surprising revelation from CoinMarketCap is that it remains the only platform to report the circulating supply of PiCoin at 68 million coins. This figure challenges the prevailing assumption that Pi's circulating supply is significantly higher. It also raises questions about how supply constraints could impact future pricing. All-time high of Pi IOU reached $330. One of the most striking data points supporting Pi's potential valuation is its historical all-time high. At one point, Pi IOU on CoinMarketCap reached a peak of $330. When accounting for a margin of error of approximately 5%, this value aligns closely with the widely accepted global consensus value of $314 within the Pi community. This suggests that the $314 valuation is not merely speculative, but rather rooted in historical pricing trends. The correlation between past market performance and projected valuations adds further credibility to the claim that PiCoin could reach this milestone. Pi transfers to centralized exchanges, or CEX, align with circulating supply estimates. Over time, increasing transactions within the Pi ecosystem, including transfers to centralized exchanges, have revealed a significant trend. As of now, the estimated amount of Pi transferred to exchanges is approaching 70 million coins. Interestingly, this figure closely matches CoinMarketCap's previously reported circulating supply of 68 million coins. Even if the total circulation reaches just under 100 million coins, it would still align with initial supply estimates that have been officially disclosed. Additionally, regulatory restrictions in several countries have limited Pi's distribution, further constraining its availability. A limited supply, coupled with growing demand and adoption, could drive the price of PiCoin to new heights. Recent market data indicates that PiCoin has surged to as high as $200 across various platforms. This sudden rise is not incidental, rather it reflects increased demand from the community and a surge in transaction activity within the Pi ecosystem. If this trend continues, the notion of PiCoin reaching $314 is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Is $314 a realistic price for PiCoin? Examining historical data, CoinMarketCap's supply reports and recent price trends, there are compelling reasons to believe that PiCoin could reach $314. Key factors supporting this projection include the historical AT8 of Pi IOU reaching $330, which aligns with the widely accepted GCV of $314. Circulating supply estimates from CoinMarketCap corresponding closely with current market conditions, a recent price surge pushing PiCoin to $200 in a short period, a global community actively driving adoption and utilization of Pi as a payment method. While no one can definitively predict when PiCoin will reach $314, the data presents a strong case for the possibility. What is clear is that the future of PiCoin is becoming increasingly promising.